I think in the later stages of writing the book, the metaphors, the sort of celestial metaphors of sun and moon and stars, I started to notice the way that they were cropping up in lots of different poems, including one strand that thinks about black holes and time and the sort of paradoxes of space-time, inspired by Stephen Hawking. But I started to think about those metaphors of dark and light almost as an organising principle in the book, that I felt like I'd been trying to write poems that in some ways are more direct and more unguarded than I'd ever written before. And I enjoyed the way that those poems seemed to sort of walk in the sunlight. But then I started to feel like the book was opening too much of itself too swiftly. So I felt like there needed to be this counterbalancing force, and I thought of those as my sort of moonlight poems. So I wrote a whole swathe of poems that give up their sense less readily, and I felt like there needed to be an interplay between the two, really.